Bluey zoomed down the driveway on her shiny red scooter, her ears flying back in the wind and her tail wagging with pure joy. "Woohoo!" she shouted, swerving left and right like a racer. Bingo stood at the bottom of the path, clapping her paws. "Go Bluey, go!" The wheels hummed against the concrete, faster and faster, until Bluey leaned too far to the side. "Whoa!" she yelped, almost tipping over, but she steadied herself just in time. The thrill made her laugh louder. "Did you see that, Bingo? I almost flipped but I didn't." Bingo's eyes widened. "That was amazing." Bluey rode in circles around her sister, leaving small streaks on the path. Suddenly, she skidded to a dramatic stop. "All right," she declared, "this scooter isn't just a scooter, it's my super speed rocket." Bingo gasped, covering her mouth. "A rocket? That means you can fly." Bluey grinned. "Exactly. Want to see?" She kicked off again, scooting as hard as she could. The faster she went, the more her imagination soared. In her mind, the ground vanished, and the scooter lifted into the air. Trees became giant towers, the sky turned purple, and stars shimmered right above her head. Bingo pretended to run after her, shouting, "Wait for me, Bluey. Don't blast off without me." The game grew wilder. Bluey spun in wide arcs, pretending meteors flew past. She ducked and leaned, laughing so hard her voice cracked. "Incoming asteroid. Hold on tight." Bingo hopped up and down, cheering. The whole yard became outer space, and Bluey was the brave captain leading the mission. But then, disaster. Bluey slowed down suddenly. "Oh no, the rocket is losing power." Bingo gasped dramatically. "Quick, you need a landing site." Bluey pressed her paw to her chest. "I'll try. I just have to believe." She scooted slower, carefully steering back toward the driveway, and with one last push, she stopped safely. Both sisters collapsed on the grass, laughing breathlessly. Bluey raised her paw. "Mission complete." Bingo nodded. "You're the best space captain ever." Bluey looked straight at you with a cheeky smile. "What about you? Do you like riding scooters, or maybe blasting off on wild adventures?" Stick with us for more fun stories, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you're always part of the ride.